Hola. We are going to be the tennis masters today. We're playing an intense game of tennis.
Well, we are the masters, yes. You get it back. Get it up, you idiot. What is that? You like... I just got something. My score. Nope. Hey, yes, you did it! That was awesome. Everything is barely between the ball. Oh, geez. I guess that ends the video. I think that ends the video? Yeah. Okay. Let me, I want to go stop it. Hello, guys.
The ball got stuck in the curtain.
Bye.
Wow. The ball got stuck in the curtain.
That's okay. There's another ball.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if we can find it somewhere up there.
Yeah, I think we're going to stop.
It is like,
Okay,
you
I guess that ends the
you just hit it at me and I'm just like,
Okay, well, there's more in there for you.
We'll stop the video now.
Nah.
No? Okay.
Nah.
Hey, get us another ball then. Not over yet.
I got a ball pack.
Okay, now we got a ball pack. Now you can hit as many as you want.
And they can all go over the curtain.
Yep.
Except for like a few.
Set it back up. Here, I'll set it back up.
Here, you get
I'll open it up.
you open the balls.
He did not know what happened. He only got off.
I told them.
Ninja-like.
No, it's like 2 minutes. It's still been filming this entire time.
I know.
Okay. Masters of tennis
Number 2. Round 2. I won that round.
No, you didn't, because I hit it above the curtain. Nobody won that last.
Well, these are weird balls.
Oh, what's the one?
These are like broken parts.
Let me see.
I think.
Oh, dang, yeah.
Let's
No.
see what this thing. You got. Yeah. Yeah! Darn it. Your point. I would laugh if he just like fell right now. Awesome save! Yeah. What is it with you? You always catch it behind your stomach. Just like... Awesome tennis. That was kind of scary. Good. It's all good. Masters of ping pong. Commence. Maybe we should talk about something. Have you been keeping the score? Oh no, actually no. Oh, we need a score. Because we'll die every time. Every time it's my serve, I would die. Yeah. Let's do this. What the? Oh, you want me that way? I'm not gonna do that like that. Oh yeah. Oh, go back over it. And okay, we are not playing the right way. We're playing freestyle. What the crap? Get it hard. Next time I'll be right in your face. I'll go get the ball. Where'd it go? Oh, you didn't want to go then? Let's do this. That's not my scaring program. I scare the crap out of you, then you back up, and then I'm just like, BAM! And I barely hit it. Hopefully the camera can see the ball. Unless we're going to look like we're idiots not hitting it. Oops, hang on, where's the kisses?
Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. What is that? What?
Hello.
What was that? You're like, hello.
The video over?
No, not yet.
Okay. We're gonna play.
Goodbye.